Hello kids, welcome to my YouTube channel Sejo, and today I will tell you German sentences in English and German. Okay, so are you ready? So let's start. Okay. Hallo zusammen, mein Name ist Asim und ich bin 6 Jahre alt und ich bin Lehrling. Ich bin Lehrling, okay? Means hello everyone. My name is Asi and I'm 6 years old and I'm your teacher. Okay, so let's start. So now Spielplatz. Spielplatz means a a playground. A playground. Okay. Soccer means a swing. Swing. Okay. Okay. So das ist Ampel. Das ist Ampel. Means this is a signal. This is a signal. Okay. So okay. So okay. Now that is Polizei. Das ist Polizei. Means this is a police. This is a police. Okay. Das ist Auto. Auto. That is auto. Means this is a car. This is a car. Okay. Okay. So das ist Farben. Das ist Farben. Means this is a color. This is a color. Okay. So das ist meine Buch. Das ist meine Buch. Means this is my book. Okay. So okay. So okay. Ich habe 2 Kinder. Ich habe 2 Kinder. Okay. So means I have 2 child. I have 2 child. Okay. Gut gemacht. Gut gemacht means good job. Okay. Good job. Okay. So now okay. So das ist meine Papa. Das ist meine Papa. Means this is my father. Okay. Wie heißt du? Means what is your name? What is your name? Okay. So now Hallo zusammen. Hallo zusammen means hello everyone or hello students. Okay. So now I will tell you. Okay. Ich kann besser Deutsch. Ich kann besser Deutsch means I cannot speak German. Okay. Es ist besser Deutsch. Es ist besser Deutsch. Means I speak German. I speak German. Okay. So now, was kannst du? Was kannst du? Means what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. So was magst du? Means also is what are you doing? Okay. Now okay. Okay. So okay. Now Lass mitspielen. Lass mitspielen. Means let's play together. Let's play together. Okay? So, okay, lass spielen Fußball. Lass spielen Fußball. Means let's play football. Let's play football. Okay? Okay? Halt. Halt. Okay? Means a stop. Okay? Now next means next. Okay. So now okay. Eins means a one. Okay, one. So now okay. Now is kann spielen, Mama? Is kann spielen, Mama? Means I can play, Mama. I can play, Mama. Mutter means a mother and Vater means a father and Tochter means daughter. Okay, so now ich bin kleiner. Ich bin kleiner means I'm a little or I'm a small. Okay, so ich bin Mädchen. Ich bin Mädchen means I'm a girl. I'm a girl. Okay, so now wo wohnst du? Wo wohnst du means where do you live? Where do you live? Okay, so we guess as in. We guess as in or we guess as the. Okay, so means how are you? How are you? Okay, so now we are the best two. We are the best two means how old are you? How old are you? Okay, so now okay, so where bist du? Where bist du means who are you? Who are you? Okay, so now Peter. Peter means please. Please. Okay. Okay, das ist gut. Das ist gut means this is a good. Okay, gut gemacht. Gut gemacht means good job. Okay, so now es tut mir leid. Es tut mir leid means sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, so now bis bald. Bis bald means see you soon. Okay, guten Abend. Guten Abend means good evening. Good evening. Now, okay, guten Morgen. Guten Morgen means good morning. Good morning. Okay, guten Tag. Guten Tag. Okay, means good afternoon or good day. Okay, so now, danke. Danke. Okay, means thank you. Thank you. So, okay, so das ist die Tasse. Das ist die Tasse. Means this is a bag. This is a bag. Das ist ein Handy. Means this is a one mobile. This is a one mobile. Das ist Wasser. Das ist Wasser. Means this is a water. Ist kein Badewanne. Ist kein Badewanne. Means I can bath. I can bath. Okay, so now means das ist Augen. Das ist Augen means this is a eye. Okay, so Nase. Nase means a nose. Okay, and a Lippen means a lips. Okay, now okay, okay, so now hand means her hand. Okay, hand. Okay, so now Gajist means a head. Okay, and cup also is the head. Okay, so now has means a neck. Okay, so bulk means a stomach. Okay, ich kann essen, Mama. Bitte, Mama means can I eat, Mom? Please, Mom. Okay, so now, what I can tell you? Das ist Buch. Das ist Buch. And now means this is a book. Okay, so das ist Farbenbuch. Das ist Farbenbuch. Means this is a color book. This is a color book. Okay, so look mal Papa or so mal Papa. Okay, means look Papa. Okay. Okay, cook means a cook. cook. Okay, so Iskan Haba Papa, Iskan Haba Papa means I can have Papa, I can have Papa. So, bye bye. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and you can see all my videos you have like. So, bye bye. Ciao, ciao.